I'm here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. There's a band playing right next to me. There is a lot happening. It is actually packed here today. But Disney's Animal Kingdom has introduced new plant-based food items all throughout the park. And I'm gonna try one of them now for you. There we go. Calm down a little bit for me. These are the Impossible Burnt Ends at Flame Tree Barbecue. I'm really excited to try this. So Disney pulled a little bit of a trick where they announced a whole bunch of new food items here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. They announced some new food items at some of the other parks as well. And coincidentally, that coincided with a price increase for a lot of food items. It is a trick they do so that you don't notice an increase in price when something hasn't been on the menu before, but it does give us some really exciting new things to try, including this plant-based Impossible Burnt Ends. I am so excited to try this because you know I'm a vegetarian. I used to eat meat, so I still have some dishes that I wish I could have every once in a while. I love Impossible. It is my favorite of the quote-unquote imitation meats. And Flame Tree Barbecue, that's where you get this one. And Flame Tree Barbecue actually used to have one of the worst plant-based options on property. It was a sausage that was just really, really bland. So I'm hoping that this is going to be better because so many people love Flame Tree Barbecue and it is a popular location for a lot of people. And if I'm coming with meat eaters, I would like to have an option for myself that I can get. So I'm going to dip it in a little barbecue sauce here and let's see. Wow. It's kind of a cross between a traditional burnt end and maybe a jerky, but it's really, really good. It is really, really good. You don't get a huge portion for $13 after tax, but it actually looks like you get a bigger portion than it appears. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 pieces of meat. You get fries. The fries are $5 side item, and you get the coleslaw. The coleslaw, of course, being plant-based as well because it's a plant-based option, so it has no mayo or anything. I'm going to give it a try here. It's a bland little coleslaw, but that's okay. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna have my final thoughts when I am done, but so far I'm really enjoying it. my final thoughts on the new Impossible burnt ends here at Flame Tree Barbecue in Disney's Animal Kingdom. I'm gonna say I really, really liked them. Yes, the amount you pay for how much food you get, it's Disney. You're never going to get a really, really, really good value on the food. However, I really want to give Disney credit because they are bringing a lot of new plant-based options into the theme parks, especially here at Animal Kingdom. And the more that we have vegetarian and vegan options, the better. First of all, just for vegetarians and vegans, but sometimes I know a lot of people don't want to fill their gut with a lot of heavy meat stuff when they're running around the theme parks. These Impossible meals are lighter, they are, you know, fewer calories. I guess we could have a debate on healthier and what that means, but a lot of times when you are running around in the heat, sometimes meat is just a little too much and it's not, like, you just don't want it. And sometimes you don't want, you know, sticky sweet stuff, but Disney overloads you with that. So I'm happy that they have a lot of these options, and I think everybody should be happy that it seems like almost every restaurant, whether it be quick service, table service, has some sort of plant-based option, and they are really increasing that number day by day, and more variety is never a bad thing, especially with quick service locations. And like I said, the old sausage, plant-based sausage here at Flame Tree Barbecue was not very good, and I had to eat here a lot with friends because they've heard good things about this quick service location. Personally, I would stick with Satuli Canteen in Pandora the World of Avatar, or even the Yak and Yeti quick service location is pretty good. But there are some people who really love Flame Tree, and if you're at the parks with them and you want to eat with them, if you're a vegetarian, this is a great option now. You have a good option. Disney's Animal Kingdom is my favorite food park. Like, I've said it a number of times now. I think between Tiffin's, Nomad Lounge, Satuli Canteen, Yak and Yeti, of course Flame Tree, even Restaurantosaurus is a passable quick service location that a lot of kids like. Tusker House is here. This is the best food park in Walt Disney World, and I stand by that. So thank you for joining me so much on this little review here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.